Hey guys, my name is Morena Monyake. I'm in S4 in Maseru Private Academy. On the 22nd of July, I was part of the team that represented Lesotho, the whole country, in a Pan African Robotics Competition, which was in Senegal, Dakar. It was a very fun experience, which we were given a challenge to mine a certain ore. We had to build a robot in 4 days, which the first day was building the chassis, the second day was building the arm, the third day was coding, and the fourth day was testing. So in this whole 4 days, we had to build a robot that was able to mine a certain mineral from its ore and be able to take it to different stations and return back to our station in a span of time. Alright, during the competition, my first mistake after we received our robot kit was that I decided to go into a goal without having a plan of exactly what I want to achieve with this robot. So what I exactly did was just jump into just building the robot without it having a considerate goal of what I wanted to achieve. So this led to me having to dismantle my robot around 10 times or 9 times or so. And the other problem we faced was that my team had me and another partner, so there were only 2 people in my teams, while some other countries would average 8 people or 9 people or even 10. So it was a very hard experience, as I was not able to specialize and practice division of labor. But at the end of the day, we still won and became top 3 on the Premier Awards, and Lesotho was actually in number 3. We also broke a record for being the first Basotho to represent Lesotho in a Pan African Robotics Competition. Well, it was very fun meeting different people from different nations and different people with different intellectual levels. And I was able to see different capabilities of people from different nations and how they actually solve real life problems. It was an entertaining experience for me, as I was able to see how people are able to carry respect for each other, or how people are able to show dignity and pride about what they do and what they perform in their daily life basis. Well, I've always wanted to solve a real life problem in my life, and the Pan African Robotics Competition gave me an opportunity to do so. So I was able to solve a real life problem, by using technology and being able to implement the classes I took at a robotics class and be able to also implement them at a real life basis. In the future, I would desire to be a software engineer, whereby I'd like to code different codes and combine my different aspirations with biomechanical engineering, or design a certain code for my favorable car brand. Oh, I would like to thank MPA for taking me to the science fair, for also giving us the opportunity to be able to express our science ideas at the science fair. It really helped me, as I was able to develop and practice my love for robotics right there. And also I'd like to thank Maseru Private Academy for the French classes, which they also taught to us, and I was able to implement a real life class into a real life situation. Well, I'll advise you that, since I already made a mistake that I started a goal without having a specific plan, so I would advise that you have a specific plan before you have a goal. Like, what is it you actually want to achieve, or what is it you want to have as your goal, and make sure that I have a specific plan on 1, 2, 3 that I want to actually achieve. And I have to make sure that my goal is measurable, and make sure that even if I change the plan, I should never change the goal, so that my goal can be easily achievable. And I also advise that people should follow their passion and make sure that the passion is in line with the right now trend, which is technology, and make sure that your passion is in line with the current trends of the generation right now.